Okay guys, my name is Lens and I want you to join the Lens Empire by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also smash the like button. I'm Lens. Okay guys, Lens there, and as you can see I have this iPhone 5s, right? And this phone suffered a black screen issue. Okay, so let me just go ahead and explain what this black screen issue is all about. There are different things that can happen to your iPhone, whether iPhone 4, 5, 6, 7 or X, right? And the thing is, if it happens that you drop your phone, at the back you can apply pressure in this area in ensuring that the cable is not detached in any way. Okay, that is one thing that you can try if it happens that you drop your iPhone. Okay, the other method that I'm going to show you is by using a combination of the different buttons. Before I do so, right, I just want to explain a few things really. One, the black screen problem can be an iOS issue also. It can be an issue with your phone system. It can be a bug in your system. So first, we need to identify what would most likely be the problem, right? And if it happens that your phone screen is off and your phone is on, then we need to do some simple tests in ensuring what the problem is. Okay, so with this iPhone, what we're gonna do, we are going to use the first button combination, which is holding down the home button and also the power button here, and we're gonna hold them down together, right? And we should see the Apple logo appear. Okay, so that's one way of fixing it. So if it happens that your phone had a system issue where the screen gone black, that's the first method that we can do in reviving or waking up our phone screen, by holding the power button and holding down the home button, right? So that's one way of doing it. I'm gonna show you the other way how we can do this also. So we just revive our phone screen from whatever occurred, right? The second way of doing so is by holding down the power button for 3 or 4 seconds or so. We're gonna hold this down and then we're gonna hold down both of them together, the home button and the power button. We're gonna hold on both of them together. So here you can see that the Apple logo appears. Yeah, so this is another method that you can try if it happens that the first one failed. And I'm gonna show you the third method that you can do. But we need to distinguish what is wrong with our phone. Is it that the screen is bad? Is it the connector for the screen? So these are things that we need to know before we approach the situation. Yeah, as you can see that this is working here, and yes, there are issues where bugs may get into your iOS causing these sort of issue. There are times that your phone can be unresponsive, not responding. These are all things that you can try. and I will also list the different options that you can try in the video description, as I just demonstrated a while ago. Another thing that you can do is putting your phone in download mode, because if it happens that your screen is not showing and you want to ensure that your screen is bad, or you're trying to figure out what went wrong, you can enter your phone into download mode by plug in the USB card, hook it up to your computer, and hold down this home button. So you want to hold on this home button and plug in the phone USB card to your computer. In doing so, you will see the charger showing up here with the iPhone icon, the iTunes icon there. So if it happens that your screen happen to come on, then you can just come out of that mode and start your phone normally. Yeah, if it happens that this video was helpful to you, I would like you to subscribe to my channel for more videos on these other things. And also, I would love you to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and also comment down below and let me know your success. I'm Lens. Subscribe.